What's up everyone, this is Eric again. Today is the 20th of November 2020. This is the closing trade alert video for my Square trade that I opened up a couple of days ago. This trade ended up being very similar to the Etsy trade that I closed yesterday. As you can see, I opened this trade on the 18th of November, just 2 days ago. I sold it for $1.64 and then I closed it this morning and bought it back for 75 cents. Let's go over to the chart and see how things played out. Alright, so open the trade here on the 18th of November. I sold the 155 put for $1.64. And just like the Etsy trade from a couple of days ago, the main thing that made this a quick winner is that I got lucky again, and this had a $14 move in my favor, which was a 7.69% move in my favor. IV rank actually went up a couple of points, but when you have the underlying stock price move that much in your favor, the IV rank doesn't really matter. I mean, ultimately with all these positions, the main thing that matters is the underlying stock price, right? All the Greeks, the delta, the theta, all that stuff, that's kind of all secondary, especially when you're getting large price movements. So when I sold this 155 put, I just needed the price to stay above or sideways, and eventually I get paid. Well, I got lucky again. Had a big price movement in my favor, and this trade only took 2 days here. I got a profit per contract of $89, which was 54.3% of my max profit. And then that was return on capital of 5.7%. Again, if you're following along with these trade alerts, you don't need to wait for my closing alert. You just need to pick a percentage of profit that you want to get and then go for it. For almost every trade, I put in a closing order ahead of time. So a lot of these will just close while I'm off doing something else, and I'll get a notification that it closes. So that's a super easy way to streamline the process. And again, I know I've had a few trades like this recently with these calls and puts, but I do not expect this to happen this quickly, right? When I sell a naked put or a call, I'm fully expecting to be in that trade for 2 weeks or maybe longer. However, by using this system and then a little bit of technical analysis, I put myself in a position for success, right? I don't just blindly sell stuff, which ironically, using this system, you kind of could. You could just go in, look at the deltas, go somewhere around the 15 delta. That usually puts you around a 75% pop, and you could just blindly buy into a lot of these trades and you would probably come out ahead most of the time. I mean, that's the best part of this whole system, is that it's so simple. However, again, if you combine this with a little bit of technical analysis, you can really stack the cards in your favor. Before I opened this trade, I just came in here and looked at what was going on. So there's this long-term blue channel right here, right? You know, relatively recently, it had peaked out, it had come down, it had a quick run up again, and then it pushed back to this blue line here, which is the 20-day moving average. But as you can see down here, the MACD had crossed positive again, and this pushback was actually just a small pushback in the overall uptrend, right? So seeing that, I opened here on this day, which again was in this overall uptrend, and I sold a put, which means I want the price to go higher or I want the price to go sideways, and that's what happened. Did I think I'd get paid this fast? No. I thought it'd be 10 days, 2 weeks, whatever. But again, by using this system and using some real simple technical analysis, you can really set yourself up for success. And that's all it takes. This is why I love this system. It's so easy. It doesn't take that much time. In my opinion, literally anyone who has the desire to learn this can do it. It'll just take some time. Start small, trade small, do frequent small trades, learn how to do this, and once you figure it out, you can just get on cruise control and you're essentially making passive income. All right, I think that covers everything. Like I said, this is very similar to the Etsy trade I closed yesterday. If you're still curious about something, you could watch that video too. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next video.